Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of how to make a 5-foot tall number 10 balloon mosaic. So in this video I'll be showing you how I did this 5-foot tall number 1 balloon mosaic. If you haven't seen my previous video, I suggest that you go back and look at it. I go into much more detail there. So I just wanted to quickly address something here. I'm not going to be talking through the whole video. So I always do my markings just to make sure that my lines are straight, and then here I find half of 30 inches, which is the length of my foam board. I do my marking at 15 inches, and then to find the 11 inches exactly in the middle so it doesn't look crooked, I do 5 inches and a half back, and I do my marking there, and then I do another marking at 5 inches and a half forward, which makes a total of 11 inches. So for this number 1 balloon mosaic, I only used 5 foam boards, but just in case, get 6. I know that sometimes the foam boards are different sizes, which is why I always get mine from Dollar Tree. This was for my daughter's 10th birthday party, so I had to do the number 10. But if you're just doing this number 1, it's just 5 foam boards. If you haven't checked out my previous video on how to do a 5-foot tall number 0, go ahead and check that out. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions, just ask me down below and I will do my best to answer as quick as I can. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to let you know when I upload new videos.